Welcome to Hyperledger Fabric, a powerful permissioned blockchain platform built for enterprise-grade applications. Hosted by the Linux Foundation's LF Decentralized Trust, it's an open-source framework designed for secure, scalable, and private distributed systems. Organizations across industries rely on Fabric to manage confidential workflows, streamline operations, and build trust, without the need for a central authority. Fabric's modular architecture supports plug-and-play components, letting you tailor consensus, identity, and privacy features to your needs. Unlike public blockchains, Hyperledger Fabric is permissioned. Every participant has a verified identity, enforced through a membership service provider. Fabric supports channels, private communication layers between specific members. Data is shared only with authorized participants, preserving confidentiality and privacy. Fabric separates peer functions into three roles: endorsers, committers, and consenters. This separation optimizes performance and enforces strict privacy. Let's walk through a transaction. A grocer in California buys radishes from a Chilean farm. The transaction proposal goes to each party's endorsing peers. The chain code Fabric's smart contract runs the business logic. If conditions are met, endorsements are returned based on a predefined policy. The endorsed transaction is sent to the ordering service, where consenter nodes package it into blocks and define the transaction order. Each committing peer validates and writes the transaction to the ledger, updating the world state and maintaining an immutable record. Hyperledger Fabric establishes trust without cryptocurrency. It uses endorsement policies and consensus, making it ideal for enterprise scenarios. Fabric 3.0 introduces Smart BFT, a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus protocol that adds greater resilience to distributed systems. BFT protocols go beyond crash tolerance. Smart BFT can withstand up to 1/3 of faulty or malicious ordering nodes without compromising integrity. Smart BFT uses a leader-driven approach with heartbeat monitoring and multiple broadcast rounds to finalize blocks reliably. With 4 nodes, Smart BFT can process about 2,000 transactions per second, depending on the environment. For production, at least 7 nodes are recommended. Smart BFT is developed by the Hyperledger Fabric community to integrate deeply with Fabric's core components. This ensures consistency, control, and future compatibility. From an operator's perspective, Smart BFT and RAF-based services are configured similarly. The key difference is the number of nodes needed for fault tolerance and consensus behavior. Hyperledger Fabric delivers a modular, adaptable architecture. It supports private and permissioned data sharing, high transaction throughput, and robust governance. Smart BFT adds advanced consensus capabilities for networks that require maximum security and reliability. Because it doesn't rely on tokens, Fabric allows enterprises to build trustworthy systems that align with regulatory, operational, and privacy requirements. Hyperledger Fabric is a widely adopted permissioned blockchain framework developed under the Linux Foundation's Decentralized Trust umbrella, with global community support and enterprise integration across sectors like supply chain, finance, healthcare, and digital assets. You can learn more, download the code, and join the community at LF Decentralized Trust. Org, Hyperledger Fabric, powering enterprise blockchain with security, privacy, and open innovation.